Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Tech Analytics. And today we learn how to install my MS SQL Server in our PC. Open a Chrome browser and here you write SQL Server and in the first link click. Once you click on the first link, you see Microsoft website is opened and go down and here you can see there are two options. One is developer option and another one is express option. In developer option, you can see it's written like SQL Server 2022 developer is a full-featured free edition licensed for use as a development and test database in a non-production environment. And SQL Server 2022 Express is a free edition of SQL Server. Both are free, and here it is a ideal for development, production for desktop, web, and small server applications. From these two, we are now going to download this part, and you can see my download is started here. Okay, once I click on that, and you can see after that you have to press yes, and now you can go for basic, then read the terms and conditions for the MS SQL server and accept. Then I am installing in the C path I am installing in my PC, and you can also change according to your requirement wherever you want to install and change the path as for your requirement. And I am here installing in the C drive, and after that I press install. It will take some time to install the page and okay, and yes, it's now installing as you can see, and it takes some time, depends on the speed of network. Let's wait for some times till it's installing. As you can see, my installation is completed here, and after that you can go for install SSMS. It means SQL Server Management Studio. Click on install SSMS, and here you get an option of download SSMS, and click on that. And after that, click on free download for SQL Server Management Studio. Click on that, and you see it will the download will be started here, and it will take some time. Wait for some time. It also depends on the speed of network, and the size is 647 MB. You see, my download is completed, and once I click on open, it is asking for installation. Then click on install, then press. It will again take some time to install in our PC. And once it is completed, our MS SQL Server or Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is successfully installed in our PC. So once you find it completed, then you can see by searching over here Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you will get your tool or get your application.